Hello everybody, my name is Jeremiah York, and I'm part of the sales team here at Proximity Mall. Today I'm hanging out with James Medina, our packaging supervisor. We're going to show you how we get our milling done and get it to spec before we ship it out to you guys. Let's head inside and get the day started.
For the first step, we are adjusting the mill to the correct setting for the product about to be milled. On this step, the product is being dropped into the mill. As you can see here, the product has been milled and is going into the conveyor for packaging. Now, the bag is being filled to the correct weight and is being palletized for shipping. On this step, we weigh out 100 grams of product to assure we are meeting the correct specs. Now we are taking it to the road tap for testing. We set the road tap machine for 5 minutes to ensure proper sifting. After the 5 minutes are up, we weigh out each section and document it. Now we are visually checking the malt to ensure all kernels have been crushed. Finally, we readjust the mill and get ready for our next product.